Hi everyone! In this video, we will talk about how to use Fluent CRM. Fluent CRM is a comprehensive email marketing automation plugin for WordPress, designed to help you manage and nurture leads, send email campaigns, and automate marketing workflows directly from your WordPress dashboard. First, on installation and setup, install Fluent CRM. Navigate to your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, add new and search for Fluent CRM and click Install Now. After installation, activate the plugin. Next, configure SMTP. To ensure reliable email delivery, set up an SMTP service. Fluent CRM recommends using Fluent SMTP, a free plugin that integrates seamlessly and supports various email sending services like Amazon SES, SendGrid, and Mailgun. Second, importing and managing contacts. Import contacts. If you have existing contacts, import them into Fluent CRM. Navigate to Fluent CRM, to Contacts, and to Import, and follow the prompts to upload your contact list. Now for this segment your audience, organize contacts using lists and tags. This segmentation allows for targeted email campaigns and personalized communication. Next, on creating email campaigns. Design email template. Craft professional email templates or choose from pre-designed options. Navigate to Fluent CRM, go to Email Templates to create and manage your templates. Now on sending campaigns. Launch your first email campaign by selecting Fluent CRM, Campaigns, and New Campaign. Choose your audience segments. Select or design your email template and schedule or send your campaign immediately. Next, on setting up automation funnels. On automate marketing tasks, create automation funnels to send emails based on user behavior or specific triggers. For example, send a welcome email when a user subscribes, or follow-up emails after a purchase. On using pre-built automation, Fluent CRM offers pre-built automation templates to streamline the setup process. Customize these templates to fit your marketing strategy. Next is the integrations. Connect with other plugins. Fluent CRM integrates with various WordPress plugins like WooCommerce, LearnDash, and Fluent Forms, enabling you to automate communications based on e-commerce transactions, course enrollments, or form submissions. Lastly, on monitoring and analytics. To track performance, utilize Fluent CRM's dashboard to monitor key metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, and subscriber growth. This data helps refine your marketing strategies. And that's basically it.